If you're struggling with health issues like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high blood sugar, obesity, any type of mental health challenge, or maybe you have a previous injury, substance abuse challenges, or you just want to get healthier to prevent yourself from getting infected with the virus or any other sickness, you're going to want to watch the rest of this video. If you're not worried about your health or how you look, you can go ahead and skip this video. If you've been told by your doctor you need to work on your health condition, but it's been too difficult for you to do on your own, we can help. We've helped people with all different types of health conditions, and we can help you too. Hi, I'm Sarah Fawcett, and I'm one of the owners at Advanced Fit, and you're about to discover why Advanced Fit is the best place to help you reach your goals. And the best part is, your results are 100% guaranteed. That's right. We guarantee you will get the results desired or you don't pay. And if you've tried personal training and failed to get the results you wanted at one of those big box corporate gyms like Crunch or LA Fitness, then you really need to pay attention to the rest of this video. You see, there is a reason why we can guarantee results and the big box gyms can't. That's because we custom design a complete transformation program specifically tailored to you and your situation. The big box corporate gyms only give you one piece of the puzzle, so it's no surprise that most of their clients fail. Also, our trainers are true experts with loads of experience getting results for thousands of people just like you. You simply can't get this type of experience or attention to detail at a big box gym like Crunch or LA Fitness. Most of the personal trainers at these places are very young and have very little experience. In fact, they are really nothing more than glorified salespeople that can count how many reps you do. I'm sorry if that sounds harsh, but that's the truth. There are so many injuries at these places because the trainers don't know any better, and they let the clients work out with bad form and they injure themselves really badly. And I mean really badly. More than a few have had to be taken away in an ambulance. Crazy, right? Truth is, they can often do a lot more harm than good. If you've had an injury in the past, we specialize in working with that situation to strategically strengthen the problem area for long-term recovery. We've helped countless of people work through injuries, and we have over 22 years of experience to show for it. Also, our program is not just about personal training, working out, and exercising. That's only one piece of the pie, and frankly, it's the smallest piece. If you're currently working with a personal trainer and all they are doing for you is watching you work out, I guarantee you will not succeed. That's what really sets us apart. Life outside of the gym is just as important as what happens in the gym, which is why our program is a true lifestyle transformation program. When you successfully complete the Advanced Fit Transformation Program, you'll have a new lease on life. You'll have a newfound energy to enjoy time with your loved ones. You'll be able to fit into those clothes you wore 20 years ago. And you'll have a brand new, healthy, optimized metabolism so that you can continue to enjoy the foods you love without worrying about the body storing it as fat. With an optimized metabolism, your body will efficiently burn the food you eat and use it for energy and not store it as body fat anymore. Also, when most people lose weight, they end up gaining it right back again. With the Advanced Fit Transformation Program, we not only guarantee you lose the weight, we guarantee you keep it off as well. Now, with that being said, because we do guarantee our results, we do not accept everyone that applies for our transformation program. But don't worry, the amount of weight you want to lose won't prevent you from being approved, so don't worry about that. So if you're ready for a transformation, the next step is to request a consultation where you'll come in and meet with us and we'll decide if you're a candidate to move forward. It's actually very easy to get approved for the program. We'll explain more when we see you. Click the button below or the link in the description to request your consultation now. We look forward to meeting you in person.